Hi, I'm Kaushik. Welcome back to Teamwork.
I'm Hamsika. Today, we'll take a look at events in Scratch.
Firstly, we are really sorry for no updates till now. We both are getting really busy these days. But no worries, we are back now. With that out of the way, then, let's talk about events and why they are useful.
So, let's start with the basic question. What are events?
Blocks are one of the 10 categories of blocks. They are light yellow and are used to sense events or when something happens, which trigger the scripts to run. Event blocks are essential for every project. Without the hat blocks from this category, a project would not be able to begin.
I know you might have another question. What are hat blocks?
Scratch has different types of blocks, but we will take a look at the hat blocks and stack blocks. In hat blocks, you can only add blocks below them, but not above. In stack blocks, you can add blocks below as well as above. Here are a few hat blocks, and these are some stack blocks.
Hat blocks are events, and most of them are found in the events category. If a stack block is put above a hat block, it simply does not attach. So first, open scratch.mit.edu and sign in. Let's continue with our older project. If you have not seen our previous videos of Scratch, the link is in the description box. Open the events category in the toolbox. Oh, and make sure that the witch sprite is selected. Otherwise, you will end up programming in the backdrop.
The first block in the events category is the when flag clicked block.
The when flag click block is a block that you put at the start of every chunk of code that you want to run and the project starts. For example, if you put the when flag clicked block first and then below it you attach the next costume block. Then, whenever you click the green flag, the witch will change its costume or change its look. You'll find the next costume blocks in the look category. Now, you can find these costumes of the witch in the costumes tab. Each character has different number of costumes. Now let's run our project and see what happens. The witch is changing its expressions and changing its looks.
The next block is the when space key pressed block. Whenever you click on the space bar, the code attached below it will start functioning. After the when key press block, add the say hello block. And then after running your project, if you click on the space bar, the witch will say hello. You actually don't even need to click on the green flag because it can run directly. You can change the key which will need to be pressed through the drop down menu.
The next one is when this sprite is clicked. Whenever you click on the sprite, the code attached below the block will start working. This block can make your sprite act like a button. Even in advanced projects, the click is usually initiated using this block. Add this block and add a change color effect by 25. The change color effect block is in the looks category. When you click on the witch will change the color. Again, this can run independently from the green flag. Now I am going to click on the green flag and I'm going to click on the sprite. The color of the witch is changing.
The next block is the when backdrop switches to backdrop 1. Now, the code attached below this block will start functioning when our backdrop switches to the background mentioned in the drop-down. First, click into the backdrop sprite. Click block and wait for 1 second block under it. This block can be found in the control category. Then add a next backdrop block. After that, delete the backdrop 1 from the backdrops category. Go into the which sprite and open the sounds tab. On a desktop or a laptop, just hover your cursor over the button down here. On a touchscreen device, simply tap on the sound button and then click on the record button. Then record something for the witch to say.
I am a witch.
Give the sound a meaningful name. Then open the code tab.
Under it, play sound I am a witch until done. You will find this block in the sounds category.
And change the when backdrop switches to the cartoon creepy haunted house Halloween night vector.
I am a witch. So guys, this is all for today. In the next part, we will look at the leftover blocks in the events category.
If you have any questions, comments, and ideas for videos, post them in our Scratch Studio. The link is in the description. Do post your feedback in the Scratch Studio. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Bye.